Welcome home, Zimbabwe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Touchdown.